In this vlog, we will see how to code a Flutter web view. So basically, we use web view to open an website within our application, so that we need not close our application and can open the website from our application itself. So here we are using a plugin here, flutter underscore webview underscore plugin. So we need to add it under the dependencies in PubSpec. So the current version is 0.3.11. So when you are trying this tutorial, just try to check the latest version of this plugin and add it to your PubSpec. So let us go to the coding, and here we have declared our Android user agent here, and thereby we have declared the URL which we are trying to open. So today I am going to open a google.com here. So specify the URL completely, and then initialize your plugin widget flutter binding here, and thereafter from the my app class extending stateless widget declare your flutter webview plugin. So here with the help of roots we are navigating to my home page. Here in my home page we have declared two parameters, key and title. So this title we have passed here, you can see flutter web view. Okay, so let's go ahead into our design. So here we have considered a center tag in the body, so that the buttons we declare in our screen will align in the center. Okay, so inside that we have considered a column. We have specified here cross alignment center and main axis alignment also center. I mean, depending upon your design requirements you can specify. I just want the buttons to be placed at the center, so I have specified the center here. And you can see we have considered here two buttons, and with one button we want to open the website in a custom design, so that it occupies a particular area in the screen. And in the second button we are opening the website in the complete screen. So this way we will open a web view. So here also I have specified a floating action button for closing the web view. Here you can see we are closing the web view. So let us see the output. Here you can see the two buttons and a floating action button in the design. So let us open the website by clicking on open custom web view button. Here if you can see the white space, our website is loaded here. So here this is a custom web view. Here you can see we have specified the width here as 400, and also the second option we are having is open website in full screen. With the help of floating action button you can close the view, and the second option we are having is open website in full screen. So here our web view will occupy the complete screen and will load in our application. So this is how we will be loading web view in our application. So if you are having any queries in this implementation, do let us know in the comment section below, and also the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tutorials on Flutter.